The Rubbermaid 20.5-gallon in-cabinet waste and recycling bins are ideal for keeping everyday disposables organized and out of sight to help you make the most of your home space. This video guide will walk you through step-by-step on how to successfully install this in-cabinet waste solution into your home. Before beginning the installation, be sure to accurately measure the space you want to install the in-cabinet bins into. These bins require a cabinet space free from any obstructions, such as exposed plumbing. Included in the box are two 10.25-gallon waste baskets, a metal frame, front and back can brackets, side wires, a handle, and screws needed for proper installation. You will also need a powered hand drill with a 1/8-inch drill bit and optionally a pencil and a tape measure. To begin, place the frame on a flat surface. One at a time, slide the base of the front and back can brackets into the tubes along the bottom of the frame, facing outward. The front and back brackets will lean away from each other if connected properly. Next, take the two side wires and slide them into the tubes on the front and back can brackets. Secure the handle with the two tubes on the front can bracket. The front of the frame has 2 screw holes, while the back of the frame has 3. With the handle facing you, carefully place the assembled frame as far back inside the cabinet as possible. Check that the frame is facing the right way by sliding the track out and back in. Fully close and open the cabinet door to ensure there is enough clearance with the frame inserted. With the frame still inside the cabinet, use a pencil to mark holes in the middle of the 5 screw holes at each corner of the frame's base. Drill holes into each marked spot with a 1/8-inch drill bit. Then, screw in the 5 screws to secure the frame to the cabinet. With the frame now secured to the cabinet, place both bins into the frame. Your 20.5-gallon in-cabinet waste and recycling bins are now ready to use. For further assistance, please reach out to Rubbermaid Customer Service.